Buying computer technology on the enterprise level seems to get more challenging all the time. In the past, we've taken requests and requests for budgeting information via any format that you wanted to submit. Sticky note, hallway conversation, email, phone, what have you. This probably has led to some inefficiencies, and because we had to aggregate all this information, it caused us to have to take maybe a little bit more time than needed. And so to streamline the process and speed up the process, what we have done is we've created a budgeting and equipment request form. This form, again, can be used from the time you start planning your budget and again at the time you actually request your equipment once your budget is approved. We do know that although it's not absolutely necessary that we order in large quantity, that large quantities do give us some buying power and some leverage to improve and increase the number of needs that we can take care of when we order computer equipment. And so in a previous video, we showed you how to add an icon to your Launchpad desktop, and your computer request form is available to you through your Launchpad desktop once you've added the computer equipment request icon. If you need a reminder of how to add that icon, you can refer to our previous video on that topic. I'm going to click on the computer request icon, and it gives me the form. It gives us some introductory information. You can ask Donnell if you have questions. It also provides you a hyperlink to your equipment specification budgeting form, and gives you a little information about the different types of technology that are our core standard computer and tablet technologies. This form also does a couple things. It allows you to submit an actual request for equipment or just use this form for budgetary or planning purposes. I'm going to go ahead, and it works the same regardless of which button is chosen. But again, when the information is sent to your dean or your administrative assistant or to us, this will specify what you are doing by completing this form. You can choose the school that you're going to submit for, and again, remember, if you submit for another department, that they will probably be asking you why you're submitting equipment request for them. Again, because this feedback is provided. Once you submit this, you get feedback, but your dean, your administrative assistant, and again, us over here in IT are going to get a copy of your request. I'm going to choose departmental. You'll notice it has several items that we can choose from: departmental, grant, tech fee, requests, or other. And so those are our core items. I am the requester, and I am going to put a location where I'm going to be using this equipment. As I look down and scan down the form, I'm going to choose desktop computing. Again, we can order mobile devices, monitors, printers, all that sort of thing from here. I press continue, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a desktop PC, a workstation PC, laptop PC, dockable laptop, iMac. We have several options. Again, if you're just ordering a standard desktop PC, you'll just click the top item. And again, a workstation PC is a little bit more powerful, has more processing power. And so that's the key difference there. I'm going to order one and a monitor. So I'm going to click continue. Choose a 23-inch monitor. And I am not ordering any additional devices at this point. If I chose printers, and I'm going to go ahead and choose printer so that you can get an idea. I'll choose printer, click continue. I'm just going to pick the first one so you can see how it works. One printer, continue. And once I've done that, I've chosen my computer and my printer, my monitor. I've finished making selections. I'm going to click on the continue button. And it provides some information. Ask either Donnell or myself any questions that you might have. You click here to choose a copy of your responses. And again, here, if you want a computer but you want something that is not standard or not on the equipment request sheet, that is where I would go ahead and add additional information. Again, if you're going to submit it as a budgetary request, although we already get that information, you might put that information there. And I'm going to say if something's not standard, I think we had up to 23-inch monitors, and I'm going to say I need a larger monitor than available on this form. And you may have done some research. What I would suggest doing is going ahead and entering that information, and maybe even a hyperlink. If you've got a source which you're looking for a particular product, go ahead and enter it in the additional information form. Again, we check to make sure that this box is chosen. This is going to send you a copy of your responses. We click submit. Voila, it's done. In a few moments, you will get an email response as well. The dean of the department that you chose, the administrative assistant, and we will have either the budgeting process well underway, or if your budget has been approved and you're doing the equipment request, that will be on its way. We appreciate your time. Have a most excellent day. Bye-bye.